AI image editing just got a serious upgrade this week. I'm going to show you two new open source AI tools, ICEdit and HiDream-E1, that let you edit photos just by describing what you want. These tools are super easy to try and often beat Google and OpenAI's latest for natural, accurate edits. Let's start with ICEdit, which stands for In Context Edit. This tool lets you literally transform any image using simple, natural language prompts. For example, you can take a photo of someone and just tell it, holding a cup of tea, eyes closed. Instantly, ICEdit makes her close her eyes and places a cup of tea in her hand. Want to see her with diamond earrings and a golden ruby crown? Just say so and ICEdit adds them in. You can even try make hair dark green and clothes checkered, or switch backgrounds completely by asking for on the beach with colorful clouds. It understands all of it. Want a watercolor painting? Just prompt that and it delivers. The best part is you can keep editing step by step. Start with a simple image. Prompt change background to Hawaii, and there you go, new background. Next say aloha shirt, Hawaiian shorts, surfing, and the outfit and pose are updated. Feeling creative? Replace the boy with SpongeBob and make it comic style. It does its best to match it. Add custom text like Aloha Hawaii at the bottom. ICEdit adds it clearly. It goes beyond simple edits. You can say, scene in the evening, fire burning, and get dramatic lighting. Want to replace a building with the Eiffel Tower? Just ask. You can remove objects like flower petals, a watermark, or even a dog from the image. If you ask for a pencil sketch, anime illustration, or a watercolor version, it's all possible in seconds with a clear, simple prompt. ICEdit can also change facial expressions, like making someone smile. Want a real-world detail edit? Just say, make the fire hydrant spill water, or make it snow, and watch it work. You can even turn a wooden table into plastic, or change just a single object while keeping everything else the same. What makes ICEdit stand out is how well it keeps things consistent and context-aware. When compared to Google's Gemini or OpenAI's GPT-4, ICEdit often gives results that are not only more accurate but also more realistic. For instance, if you ask for pink sunglasses or a watercolor effect, the competition either changes the face or misses the style. ICEdit pulls it off without breaking the rest of the image. Trying it out is easy. The hugging face demo lets you upload a photo and type any edit you want. For example, I tried uploading a famous photo of Zuckerberg and told ICEdit he is wearing a red bikini. Despite tricky elements like hands and background logos, ICEdit changed the outfit but kept all the important details the same. It even works on cars and landscapes. For instance, prompt, make the car blue and the tree into sakura blossom, and the result is instant and clear. Most edits take only about 10 seconds. Another bonus is you can install ICEdit locally or use it with Comfy UI for more control and privacy. Instructions are in their GitHub repo. You'll find all the links in the description. But that's not all. This week also saw the release of HiDream-E1, another open source AI image editor based on the highly rated HiDream image model by Vivigo AI. HiDream-E1 also lets you make edits with just natural language. For example, change a woman's hair to red, transform a portrait to Ghibli style, add sunglasses, or convert anything into a Pixar or Cubist painting. Just tell it what you want. You can swap out objects, like replacing an apple with an orange, or turn a wooden table into marble. HiDream-E1 also handles text edits, so telling it to write level 30 unlocked on a cake works flawlessly. You can prompt for style changes, like turning any picture into a sketch or autumn painting. When put side by side with competitors like OmniGen, Magic Brush, or Gemini, HiDream-E1 consistently delivers more accurate and visually appealing results. The team has released everything. There's a hugging face model for quick web edits, and the code is up on GitHub if you want to run it on your own computer. Both ICEdit and HiDream-E1 take text-based photo editing to a new level. They're completely free, open source, and in many cases produce better edits than the expensive premium tools from the tech giants. Which edit would you try first? And what's the craziest photo transformation you'd want to attempt? Drop your ideas in the comments. If this helped you discover a new tool, make sure you subscribe for more updates on the best open source AI every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.